Statler with his bed. That's his mistress, the bed. Ugh. Sir, that's not a cat. He seems to do this with these beds. They do it for you, huh? Boom chicka meow meow, boom chicka meow meow. What was it creepier? He's watching Goose over there as he's doing it. Oh, back foot. Oh no, Herman's interested. Sir. Poor bed. Well, he's tired. He just finished his, love making to the bed. Oh my god. Typical man.
Rude.
Yeah, it wouldn't be so bad if you weren't looking at another cat while doing that.
Would you rather it stare at you?
No, I don't want him looking at me either. I like you. You're just weird, sir.